I was unaware of the dispute in Brooklyn. I would never knowingly wear any clothes or support any company who produced clothing with alleged wage and labor violations. They just want to continue playing their little game of power. And I feel that us people have the responsibility and also the obligation to demand to our leaders to give us the pacifist solutions, to give us a world in peace. My songs are the reflection of how I think and how I feel in that moment. But I'm conscious of the fact that artists have a responsibility before the masses and they have to take care with their words. I'm a firm believer that education is the most efficient tool we have to make people aware and make our children aware, and to protect them from the scourge of the century, which is AIDS. I feel a real sense of duty to use the voice and the platform I've been afforded by my fame to speak out for those whose voices don't get a chance to be heard. Writing in English was a major challenge. I didn't want other songwriters to write for me. I wanted to preserve the spirit of my songs in Spanish. I am the same Shakira in English as I am in Spanish. I never went to the gym before in my life. But, at 32, I noticed that my body responds negatively to bad food, so I must make double the effort. Sensual is everything that refers to the delight of the senses. And that's what artists do, is stimulate the senses in any possible way. Breastfeeding has been one of the best experiences of my life. I love it. I can't stop. I think I'm going to breastfeed him until he goes to college. I'm hooked. It doesn't bother me to talk about my private life. It doesn't bother me to talk about anything. My life is like a glass of water, transparent. I think that we see war as a virtual thing, and we even get to believe that bombs fall on top of cardboard cutouts and stuff like that. They don't. They kill real people, real children, real mothers and millions of innocent people. For several years I worried a lot about protecting an image, but today I have understood that the image cannot be preconceived. I know what it's like to feel that fear and the need of affirmation and appreciation. To build confidence in yourself is the toughest thing. I always believed that women have rights and that there are some women that are intelligent enough to claim those rights. There are some others that are stupid enough not to. I am trying to make my accent so it won't bother anyone, but I am not going to drive myself crazy trying to pretend I am an American girl when I am from Colombia. I started the Pies Descalzos Foundation in Colombia when I was 18, and since then I have been very involved in the crusade for education. We know that many boys and girls leave school because of poverty, because they have to work. However, there are an important number of children who abandon their studies because of the abuses they're subject to by teachers and their own parents. My team and I have reunited two elements that coexist with difficulty: respect and affection, because when they love you they don't respect you, and when they respect you they don't love you. My dad is a writer, and to see him always in front of a typewriter gave me the inspiration to write. He was my idol, my hero. I wanted to be just like him.